Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a cheaper alternative to using clip-in extensions for natural hair. I actually have them in right now. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys the hair that I use and how I prepare the hair. So first off, the hair that I'll be using is just any brand of Afro Kinky Twist braid. It'll be named a few different things, but as long as it looks like your natural hair texture, that's what matters. And the color that I'll be using is color number 2. I would recommend for you to get color number 1B if your hair color is like mine. 1B is more similar to our hair color than 2. 2 is just a tinge more brown, but it really doesn't make that big of a difference. So this is what the hair looks like. As you can see, it really is quite similar to our own hair texture. There is, however, one major problem with this type of hair. It is synthetic, which means that there's a bit of a shine that you can see. You know how synthetic hair has that sort of unnatural sheen to it? Well, that's what this hair will sort of have. So as you can see, the extension is somewhat a little bit more shiny than the rest of my hair. My hair is a little bit more matte. So we're going to get rid of this shine so that you can use it and it can look like your natural hair. So the first thing that I'll do is obviously take the hair out of the packet. And I'm going to take a little bit of the hair out. So I'm not going to use all of it. I'm not going to need to use all of it. So I'm going to take out a few strands, however many I need. I took out 6 strands. So with that, I'm going to fill up the basin with some lukewarm water. And then I'm going to add in some apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is going to help to strip that sort of shiny layer from it. There's no set amount that you need to put, but it's obviously more than what you would put on your actual hair because this is fake hair. After I've done that, I allowed it to sit in the basin with the apple cider vinegar for a few hours. Once it's done that, I'm going to start taking the hair out and then I'm going to begin rinsing the hair. This will help to remove that nasty smell of apple cider vinegar. You don't want to walk around smelling like apple cider vinegar. So the shampoo that I'll be using is the Sheer Moisture Daily Hydration Shampoo and it smells like coconut. So it'll really help to mask out that smell of apple cider vinegar while also cleansing the hair. So I'm going to use that to just thoroughly make sure that each part of the hair is coated. And then once I've done that, I'm going to use my Tangled Teaser to start trying to brush out the hair. I say trying to because you're not really going to get through much of this hair. This is synthetic hair and it is Marley hair. So it's really hard to comb through, but just comb it as much as you can and make sure those major tangles are out of the hair. And I'm going to rinse the hair with some cold water, making sure that all the shampoo is out. And I'm just going to dry the hair with a towel. So after I've done that, I'm going to go through and thoroughly try and comb out all these little tangles and knots that are at the end. My main goal is to take away that sort of definition that the Marley hair has so that it's more like my natural hair texture when it's sort of stretched out. So after I've gone through and combed out the hair, I'm going to dry the hair with a hairdryer. It does say don't use heat, but this is synthetic hair. I just use the heat at a lower heat, making sure that I just dry the hair and I don't singe the hair. So this is what the hair looks like in the end. So what you do with that hair is that you just take a hair tie and you sort of do that loop tie. I have no idea what it's called, but that loop one, that one. You do that one so that you can actually tie the hair around your own hair and secure it so you don't have any problems while you're out. And then with that, you can just do your buns, which however way you like to tie your bun, whether it be a top knot, whether it be a fluffy bun, whether it be a messy bun, whatever way you like to tie it, you can do that. So this is what it looks like. Obviously over time the majority of the shine of the hair will go away, but at least after you've done this, it's not in your face and you won't be able to really tell the difference. So yeah, I hope you guys have liked this video for a cheaper alternative to using clip-ins and stuff like that. Make sure to comment down below and like the video if you liked the video, and I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.